Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cash out your earnings on Upside app. Now if you want to cash out your earnings on Upside app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now for those of you wondering what is an Upside app is a cashback app that allows users to earn rewards and purchase at the gas stations, grocery stores and restaurants by claiming offers and paying with a credit or a debit card. And you can also cash out your earnings to your bank account, PayPal, or through as a gift card. Now to cash out your earnings on the Upside app, make sure that you have installed the Upside app on your device. So if you have not installed it, you may install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the Upside app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So you may simply log into your account, and after logging into your account, you need to go on the balance section on your profile icon. So tap at the profile icon or the wallet icon at the very. So you just need to tap on your profile icon or the wallet icon to see your available cashback. And as you can see, this is the earning balance of mine. So after seeing all of it, you need to choose the preferred cash out method. So you'll see the option of a bank account and all of the other things, even including Google Pay, iHop, and all of the other things. So you just need to choose your preferred cash out methods, and you just need to follow the prompts to complete the process. So if you select the option of bank account, you just need to enter your bank details and all of it, and you will be able to get cash out on your bank details, and you'll be able to get cash back on the bank. And same goes with the other option which are available on the app. So you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. So that's it. That's how you can cash out on Upside app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.